ايش اللي نقع؟
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's go slowly down there.
Let's go slowly down there. Thank you, Hector.
His name is Hector?
No, his name is Thomas.
ضربني وذبحني ضرب يا ناس بالخيزرانة اروح ادير الجيران عني شو مسوي انا ضربني وذبحني ضرب ريوس. So here we are at the mini event.
We are, huh?
Here we are, yeah.
Yeah, our line.
يلا.
Sport pack.
So let's show you. وشوية حر يعني. طشونا مبونة. مرة مبونة. So let's take a look at what's here. We got barrels of minis. And what the hell was that? Okay. Ooh, punching bag. Punch. What?
Well, shows how weak you are.
I ain't doing it.
Stop being a bitch.
Fine, I'll do it.
Survey says.
Wow!
Wait,
Right!
750.
Oh no, but so shit. Was it filming?
Aw, your hands look so cute holding it. Anyways, Ahmed, back to Mini Cooper.
I stole Motion Arabia's camera.
Wow. Ahmed, you're so cool, Ahmed.
I know, right?
Ooh, that's convertible. By the way, I don't know, but do all of them have the British flag and the rear lights? Yeah, this one does.
No, I was talking about the.
This one does. Yeah.
This one does?
Yeah.
No, I'm talking about the roof.
No, not the roof. I'm talking about the rear lights.
Oh.
Man, I really like that, especially when the brakes work. So.
Let's get in it and see what happens.
Okay.
No, you got on the. Okay, I'll get on it.
Should we adjust the seats or just go for it?
No, we get.
Damon Stitch.
They move.
Oh shit. Okay.
So one go.
It's not bad. It's so bad. Okay.
Let's close the door.
It's not as bad as I thought.
Not bad. Well,
Okay. Yeah.
got a little shoulder rubbage.
We're rubbing a little.
It's gonna get shaved.
Dude, I'm gonna get a rash after just 10 minutes of driving with this guy. That's too hot.
Man, it's not bad.
It's actually good.
Okay, let's get on.
Oh, the British flag over here. I like it. Wait. So yeah, you got the British flag. Ooh. Does it state Brexit in any way? No? Okay.
Okay, let's get outside.
Okay. I feel bad now they have to clean it again because
I'm fed up.
of our nasty ass. You got nice stuff? Sure. Yeah, that's not gonna fit me. Yeah, none of that's gonna fit. What?
The brand is called Mini. We're not Mini. Okay?
Well, you'll be surprised.
There's your life vest. You're tired.
So now, what we're supposed to do is chase each other around the circle.
I'm gonna be in
The
this
red
car, and Ali's gonna be in that car.
Let's see who wins.
I'm gonna beat you, obviously.
I won. Ahmed.
You did. Let's just learn.
So, you lost and I won. Yalla bye. Once they get a second chance,
Yes. At redemption.
At redemption.
A chance
and
at
actually
redemption.
winning. Let's see how that goes.
Here, hold my pool.
Matt, honestly, I like that. That up there, I really like that. بازلين أحمد داش.
Wazilin.
وازنين خالص. يلا.
Man, it's one of the very few cars where I have to actually put the seat forward a little bit.
Yeah, it's actually spacious for what it is.
Go car number 2 now. This
Car
is
number
a chance
2.
at redemption. Let's see.
Loser.
Second go.
I swear, Ahmed, if you lose, that'll be fucking
If I
hilarious.
lose, I'm jumping in front of one of these cars.
Let's see, Ahmed. يلا يا أحمد. أحمد. يلا يا أحمد. أحمد. See how he does. Ahmed's winning. For once. Oh shit. Okay. Awesome. Ahmed's winning. Well, for once, damn. He won. So Ahmed, you're not useless after all.
I have redeemed myself. I have emerged a champion.
That was good.
I was crashed into. Shit, just filming. What is in that chat?
ويهك
شكلك حيوان حيوان حيوان
والله حيوان انت
جيب دولي
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's go slowly down there.
Let's go slowly down there. Thank you, Hector.
His name is Hector?
No, his name is Thomas.
ضربني وذبحني ضرب يا ناس بالخيزران اروح الجيران عني مسوي انا Why can't we get the countryman?
Because we ain't country, man.
I want to do some mad skids.
Mad skits.
Yo. I want to do a retraction now. I want to do a retraction now.
Don't do it.
I want to do a retraction now.
Do it. Just don't tell anyone.
I'm driving first.
Okay.
You film. That's alright. You don't need it. No. Let's go. And no Vaseline. Oh, there you go.
Yo! Okay. Well, that kicks out.
You did that on purpose.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Trust me, I didn't.
Joe punk ass.
Okay.
That was fine.
Now it's fine.
Yo, by the way, it kicks out on its own.
Yeah, no shit. Oh no. You know Kevin Hart has a broken back now, right?
Yeah, well, he can't do stand-up now.
Hey-oh! Ever heard of sit-down comedy? Joe crippled ass.
Mini John Cooper works. So John is mini?
No, it's not John. It's Mini John Cooper.
Okay.
Mini is Mini.
Oh.
Get in.
Every single time I get in the car. Did you do this steering wheel on purpose?
Yep.
You are. Go.
Blue card to go. Yeah.
Let's see how it does it.
See, I told you. I told you. I done told you. Okay.
And boom.
Ah.
I'll drive.
I'll drive.
I'll drive.
No, I'll drive.
I'll drive.
Okay, fine, you drive.
Thank you.
Okay. So you're taking this car.
Well, how did you?
Yeah, this was the fastest one, by the way.
Ooh!
I love that.
Oh, shit. This one's sick, you like it.
Let's see how it goes. Yo!
Yo! That was violent as hell.
It's called silent, but violent. I can't see shit. Ah!
Yo, I love how this thing sounds.
Good to go.
Go.
Go. Ah!
Actually, fucking.
No. You don't pull the handbrake, yaar. Don't pull the handbrake,
I
yaar.
have there.
Wait, listen.
Wait.
Man, that car behind us.
Man, it was awesome. I love it.
Where is it? Ah! Fucking wrong with you?
Ahmed,
Sure.
how was it?
That was fun.
Would you buy a mini?
Yes.
The small red one though.
Yes,
The small red one. That was awesome.
Listen, man, now we got some more important business to handle.
Yep.
We're going for dinner.
We gotta eat.
Yes, sir.
We gotta fill our bellies. Let's do it. Hi, hello. Hi.
Yeah.
Look at all this goodness. The OG. That's the OG. Dynamite.
Ali.
Candy Dynamite.
Ali.
DBS.
Look at me.
Ooh. Which one?
I have a suggestion.
What?
Let's get a bunch of sliders,
Uh-huh.
cut in half, and some fondue dip, and some fries. So all of these are going to be sliders, okay? Yeah. Okay, give us an OG. Okay. Give us a Dynamite 28.
Noir, please.
Candy Dynamite.
He's literally just sliding and choosing. I need a nar, please.
Yes, we'll get a nar.
Nardog. Like a
Yes.
Nardog.
Okay. And give us.
What's this?
This is the slider dynamite.
Slider dynamite.
Candy dynamite.
The what now?
Slider candy dynamite.
Candy dynamite. And a Nardog. And that's the fondue dip. Woo. Ooh, look at that.
That is heavy.
Oh yeah.
God damn.
Diabetes, here I come.
Thank you.
A few moments later.
Ahmed? Yo. What happened to the food?
It's the nice thing in my belly.
Yeah.
Right here.
That was a good meal.
That was fulfilling.
It was.
Shout out to the homeboys at Burger 28. Obviously, Ali and I, every time we come to Abu Dhabi, it is a must to visit Burger 28.
We never leave without Burger 28.
Yeah. If we're in Abu Dhabi, we are going to Burger 28 regardless. There's no doubt about it. But by the way, Ali, they're opening a branch in Dubai soon. Nad Al Hamar in like a month.
What?
We gonna get so fat.
What?
So that was fulfilling.
That was awesome.
It's a good lunch.
Lunch. That was
That's
good
the
dinner.
food. God damn.
Yeah, that was so.
Anyway.
Sleepy as hell.
Yep.
I just go to bed.
Yep.
And the mini event. That was fun.
That was a lot of fun. I like the racing in a circle
Yeah.
and the slaloms.
Came out a bit dizzy, but yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. Anyways, you can tell that we were too tired. Okay.
We're about
Looking at the food that we ate.
We're about to go into the food coma.
Agreed.
You already know what it is.
Yeah. Anyways, thank you guys for watching.
Again,
Please,
as always.
please subscribe, like, share,
Yes, please.
and click the bell button if you actually give a shit about it. If you don't, it's fine. But anyway, do it anyway.
We love you.
I love you guys.
Bye.
Bye.